Okay, we're filming. We're doing a stress test on our small TriWich. It's inverted upside down, assembled like normal. And oddly enough, we think the weak point is the bar. Correct? Mm-hmm. All right. And up here we can see the needle going. So our goal is to break it or bend it. I guess we should be safe. All right. Are those tons or pounds?
Tons.
We're at 10 tons?
Yeah.
That's 20,000 pounds?
Yeah. The bar's bending.
The bar's bending.
At 15.
About 15? Okay, but that's a quarter inch wall.
Yeah.
Okay. Do we have a solid bar?
No.
But our goal is to get to 20 tons. That would be 40,000 pounds. Honestly, we'll never sell a caster like that. That's only forged steel. 15. Oh my gosh. Okay, I would say, holy cow, you can stop right there. I don't think we need to break it, but this is the smallest TriWich. It's supporting 20 tons. Can you confirm that?
Yep, 20 tons.
20 tons. All right. All right. Well, I think that will make a very nice video. These are set screws. Releasing them. These are the last that you do. Don't worry about that. Distance is okay. So now I've loosened it up. Wrong way. Is that 30 seconds?
Okay. Exactly.
Okay, so as an example, we put it in here like this. It rotates up. Is that making sense? You do the same, it's loose. It's still loose. Okay? You put the other one in there and you rotate that up. Once they're rotated, then you throw in, basically it proves that it's parallel. Make sure, slide those back in. You have to tighten these first before the set screws, because the set screws, you might go a little vertical up or down. So you tighten it up, and then there's a little bit of wiggle here, but that's what this set screws are, to bite into the metal. So it's not. Tighten it up. Tighten it up. That was the assembly process.